After cleaning, we have to test to see if we made it or we killed the screen. And then we made it. Still on. There's still another process. I need to remove this calibrator you're seeing and put a new one because the calibrator is still here. That's a lot of process. Refurbishing this screen is quite stressful and it has its own. But it's worth doing it because the money and to retain the full screen. See, it's still touching, but this up place is not touching. You see? Remember, this place is not touching. This place wasn't touching, and it's not still touching. Every other place is touching, so no problem.